A simple day in my life. Every day, I wake up early. I open my eyes slowly and look at the ceiling. The room is quiet, and for a few seconds, I stay in bed and think about nothing. It is a calm moment before the day begins. I sit up and take a deep breath. A new day is here. Some days feel heavy, and some days feel light, but every day starts the same way. I stand up, wash my face with cold water, and feel more awake. I look at myself in the mirror. I see a tired face, but I also see someone who is trying. I smile a little just to feel better. I put on my clothes. They are simple, clean, and comfortable. I do not need fancy things. Simple is enough for me. I go to the kitchen and make a cup of tea. The smell of tea fills the room, and it makes me feel calm. I sit down and drink it slowly. I like to take my time in the morning. For breakfast, I eat a small piece of bread, nothing special, just something to start the day. While I eat, I think about what I need to do today. I think about work, about learning English, and about my future. Sometimes my thoughts are heavy, but I try not to stay there for too long. After breakfast, I clean the table and wash my cup. I like when things are clean and in order. It helps my mind feel clearer. Then I sit near the window and look outside. People are walking, cars are moving, and the city is slowly waking up. Everyone is going somewhere. Everyone has a life. Before I go out, I take my phone and open an English app. Learning English is part of my daily life now. I read simple words and listen to simple sentences. I repeat them quietly. Sometimes my pronunciation is not good, and sometimes I forget words, but I do not stop. I know that learning takes time. I make mistakes every day, but that is okay. I remind myself that mistakes are part of learning. No one is perfect at the start. I practice a little more then. I close the app and get ready to leave. I put on my shoes, take my bag, and open the door. The air outside feels cool on my face. I start walking down the street. I walk slowly because I like to look around. I see people talking, some people smiling, and some people looking tired, just like me. As I walk, I think about my life. I think about how far I have come and how far I still want to go. Life is not easy, but I am still here. I am still trying. That is important to me. During the day, I work and do my responsibilities. The work can be tiring, but I do my best. I tell myself to stay patient. Every small step matters. Every day matters. When the day starts to end, I feel tired, but I also feel proud. I did something today. I learned a little. I moved forward, even if it was just one small step. In the evening, I go back home. I take off my shoes and sit down. The room feels quiet again. I make another cup of tea and relax. Sometimes when the night becomes quiet, I sit alone and think about small things. I think about the words I learned today. I think about the mistakes I made. I do not feel angry about them. I feel patient. I know learning and life are both slow. I remember the days when English felt impossible. Every word was heavy. Every sentence felt confusing. Now, it is still not easy, but it feels closer. Like a friend I am getting to know, little by little. Some nights, I feel tired in my body and my mind. On those nights, I do not force myself. I just listen. I let English sounds play quietly. Even listening is learning. Even resting is part of the journey. Before sleeping, I turn off the light and lie in bed. The room is dark. Again, just like the morning before the day started. I close my eyes and think about one good thing from today. Maybe it was a calm moment. Maybe it was a new word. Maybe it was just the fact that I did not give up. Sleep comes slowly. My thoughts become quiet. Tomorrow will come, and it will look very similar to today. I will wake up. I will drink tea. I will walk. I will try again. This is my life, simple and honest. Some people want big changes in one day. I am not like that. I believe in small changes every day. One word, one sentence, one step, that is enough. In the morning, when I wake up, again, I know I will continue. Not because life is easy, but because stopping is harder. Every simple day teaches me something, even if I do not see it right away. This is why I tell my story, not because it is special, but because it is real. Many people live simple days. Many people learn slowly, and that is okay. My day is not perfect. My English is not perfect. My life is not perfect, but it is moving forward, and that is what matters to me. At the end of the day, I understand something simple. Life does not need to be loud or fast to have meaning. A quiet day can still be important. A small step can still change something inside us. Thank you for listening. I hope this story helps you learn English. If you like this video, please subscribe. See you in the next story.